Hi everyone, Noogie here, Editorial Director for John Paul Mitchell Systems.
And I'm Heather Kaanoi, Artistic Director for John Paul Mitchell Systems. We're here to talk to you about the opportunities from Invisiblewear and how the collection can bring you versatile looks as well as taking your limitless styling routine to the next level.
It's so important to stay current and on top of trends so you can give the clients a look that's relevant and in style now.
That's why I love using Invisiblewear on my guests. The looks that I create make them feel chic and young.
Exactly. Products have shifted from firm-toed to soft, touchable styles because our clients want some lived-in looks. They want healthy hair that's natural and effortless. But we all know it takes a little bit of effort.
Air gel is one of my favorites that helps to give you maximum volume, a firm hold, but ideal for that piecey type of texture. As a bonus tip to restyle your hair on day 2 or day 3, use Boomerang Restyling Mist to recreate the look. On our longer-haired guest, start off by reshaping the haircut and fringe, creating long layers. Use an across-the-street cutting method to allow for a longer side swoop fringe. Over-direct the hair to the natural side it will live on to check the shape and the length of the fringe. On the opposite side, take a small section of your guideline and continue to slide cut to allow for a small face frame and balance of fringe on both sides. Apply a small amount of velvet cream to damp hair and round brush hair for added softened texture. Take a horizontal section and blow dry the hair from scalp to ends with a 90-degree elevation for a medium amount of volume. As you move up the head shape, use higher elevation to create more volume at the scalp. When blow drying the fringe, be sure to use elevation and continue to rotate your round brush to create a beautiful beveled polished fringe. Once dry, use the Express Gold Curl 1-inch iron to add soft waves to the hair. Alternate your wave structure to give more of a lived-in look. Be sure to start a few curls higher up towards the scalp and allow for some curls to start closer towards the edges. This will help to create a nice natural effect of wavy hair. Working on diagonal sections will also help to keep this very soft and diffused. Notice that the curls are also falling in a natural form. This will help to create less volume with maximum movement. Use the 1-inch gold curling iron to smooth out a few of the edges so you have a combination of wavy hair filtering into smooth ends.
Cloud Whip is definitely my hero product because it's so versatile and layerable. I can put it on dry or wet hair. It gives me control, clean definition, and it is the driest finish out of our Invisiblewear collection. Do you have any favorite tips for using Invisiblewear in the salon?
Yes, I like to use the dry shampoos, Undone Texture Hairspray, and Pump Me Up before I start my service in the salon to show my guests how the Invisiblewear texturizing products look and feel in their hair to extend the life of their style.
That's so awesome. Any more?
Yes, we created the Limitless Undone Styling Chart to break down each product, show you what it does, how it works, other great Invisiblewear products to partner with, and a pro tip as well. To refer to this chart, go to paulmitchellpro.com. as well as to find the tip cards on these beautiful model images.
This is so awesome, Heather. I really enjoyed making this little video with you.
Me too, Noogie. I love our collaboration. If you guys have any more questions for us, please DM us on Instagram at NoogieTie or at @H_Kaanoi, as well as reach out to our Paul Mitchell Pro Instagram page at Paul Mitchell Pro.